I'm going to keep going with my ideas, and I'm going to show you what I have here in this book that I previously prepared with the materials I'm going to be using. Welcome again to this channel where we have a sacred space of creativity and self-discovery. In my last video, I explained it to you how I made these collages using models and different items like a chimney, like a little beach house, and like a door with a window and a little table with vases, and of course a perfume cup. So the following lady is this one, and let's see what is gonna happen with this collage here. So this is a brush, as you can see, it's super shiny and it's about jewelry and things. So what I'm going to do, I want to have them like wings on this model here. But as you can see here, I need to cut the arms because this needs to be realistic. So we need to free the arms of the model in the way that we can stick the wings under the arms and give the effect that she is having them under her arm. So here it's going to be hard to cut because the hands are attached one to another. So let me see now that I have her out. Yeah, I need to free the arms from here. The little piece we need to cut, so like so, and insert the scissors. So what I need to do in here is to get rid of a little bit of white that I have around the neck. And remember that I told you on my previous video that you can always glue this on top of some cardboard, so you'll have the opportunity to get rid of this delicate paper. So right now I'm just applying glue. This is the back. Look how amazing. And this is the fact that I love from collage. The creativity literally flies. So always apply glue on the model so it's easier not to make a mistake, and then you'll know. You can make her taller or you can make her a little bit shorter, so I'm gonna try to keep her high. There it is. I can leave this movable, which is nice, but I'm going to glue it. This will be our first collage for today. I'm going to show you the previous one I have. So I made this on my previous video, but they're super nice. I'm in love with these collages. This is another one, and this is my fourth one. So this is how it goes so far. And now I'm going to do one that is complicated to see what happens. Yeah, that's perfect. All right, so what I'm gonna do with the sleeve is I'm just gonna get rid of that. So we're not gonna have any sleeve for that arm. Okay, that's the perfect dress. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on the back and make sure that I have enough. Yes, I have enough, you see, to shape the curves once we finish. So the next step is to glue the whole dress on top of the model. So you do the shape. In this case it's a long gown, so it goes all the way down. And here I made the little space for the neck of the dress. So I'm gonna go here, there, We can always trim, you know, so it's not a problem. I want the arm to come up. All right, so if we have pieces or leftovers, so we can always trim them out. Okay, this is awesome. Now that I'm sure, I want you to see this. This is really amazing. So what I want you to see is that this is more than I needed from the dress, and then I'll go in the back, and this is the actual shape of the model. So you cut here, you also cut here. Here is okay, I can leave it like that, and I go here. So this is what I have so far. And also I love to have that branch a little bit more pronunciated, so there is no problem, I can cut whenever I want because I have enough space of the model here, and that's where the dress comes, so it's exactly here. All right, you see, so let's give her a little bit of more of curve, like so. All right, what I'm going to do with this arm is going to probably need to go in the back, inclinate it so we can have the arm going in the back of the model, you see, so it looks perfect now, this way, exactly like so. Okay, let's see. Yes, this is the idea. And now I need to round it a tiny bit here so it's not gonna look weird, and also round it a tiny bit there so it looks like she's hiding her arm. And here I love the fact that the shoes are coming out, so I'm gonna leave it like so. So that is the other model. As you can see, she's wearing a tree, but this is upside down, so that will be the view of the garden, but she is wearing it upside down, and the tree is the gown here, part of the beautiful gown. All right, so this is the other one. It's ready, and this is one from this video too, and I think I have another one here. It's going to be this lady here. For this lady, I was thinking to have this entrance to a drawing room. I believe that this is amazing. She is all in pink, but I need to cut this in her shape. You can always put this on top of the picture, and then you need to sculpt the dress, right? So as you can see here, I have the perfect width. So this is super, super perfect. That means that the width here is the width of her shoulders. The length is also perfect. I can probably have a little tail coming out, but and I want that to be right on top of her neck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have all that beautiful green from the entrance on my drawing. So what I'm going to do is, like, I'm going to trace it all the way, same way on this side, and then I'm gonna go up. I want her hair to go on top of that. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim her hair, like I'm gonna fussy cut here and there, because you'll see the effect is completely different. So this is going to be like so. We separate that, you see, and now I'm gonna cut just where my pencil is, just where I trace the borders, right? So I cut here. That's the shape of my model, including her dress. The idea is to cover what she has and make her another dress with anything. It can be from a chimney to a tree, a flower, whatever you think or believe. Possibilities are endless. So that's the hair going on top of the entrance. And let me see, I want to match it perfectly, so I need the space for her chin here and a little bit more of hair. All right, so here we cut for the chin, and here we need to separate the hair. All right, okay, so we have these two flaps. You see how my model is now? So this is sideways, so we can place the entrance here. It's perfectly dressed, and this goes there. Yeah, so when I'm done, I'm gonna cut the part that is extra in here. That's why it doesn't have too much shape right now, but we don't have to worry about. Is having like a little tail from the other dress, so I don't want that to be there, so I'm gonna go here and fussy cut the legs of the model, and I'm gonna get rid of that little tail from the other dress. So this will be my model. What do you think? I think it's amazing. I love it. I really like it. And from the beginning, we never saw her arms. So one is right there. The other one is hidden somewhere, so we don't know. And that's another one. So